Hey everybody, welcome to my garage. We're gonna do a little Halloween craft today, and I got this idea from, I think her name is Life with MB. I'll put it over here and you go check her out. She does great DIY stuff and it's just super cute, and we have some of the stuff already, and it's a really cheap project to do, and we're gonna take you along on our little journey to do it today. Ta-da! All right, we got 10 of these teal looking, what are they called? Candy buckets?
Yeah.
And some orange paint, spray paint. So here they all are. So what we're gonna do is on the orange pumpkins, we have black paint. We're gonna paint the eyes and mouth black, and then the black pumpkins, we're gonna get white. We have white paint. We're gonna paint the eyes and mouth. The only thing about this project, it's super easy, super cheap. We already had PVC. We already have the planters on the front. The only thing we had to go buy is the actual buckets and the orange spray paint. We had everything else black. We already had black spray paint. So it's pretty cheap. I think the buckets were $1.94 a piece, and we needed 10, and there were only 10 left at our Walmart. So that was great. But this is a super cheap project. Even if you have to buy all the material, I'm sure you don't need PVC pipe. You could probably use any type of long stake you have. It shouldn't be that difficult. So super glad I found this project. It's a brilliant idea. What are you doing? You're not two-stepping.
I'm not. Some weird thing.
The Amazon So we're going to drill 2 holes in the back.
I don't know how to do it. Maybe one on each. There.
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh.
And then we'll put the zip tie through them. Let's see. And we happen to have orange and black zip ties. What are the odds?
It's the perfect size.
Oh, good. All right, well, if you keep doing that, I can start putting them through. Cool. Okay, so the idea is we're gonna put it right here on our entryway, our doorway, front porch area. You know, point with this. Use this as my teacher stick. So basically, these are gonna be the posts. Cute. We have the CV. What is this called? PVC pipe. Already from last fall when I was using them for my garden. So tell them what we're doing.
Something to like loft up on.
So what did you just do?
Oh, I just had these leftover little 6-inch blocks that I stacked up. That way it just kind of lifts up and gives something for the weight of the pumpkins to sit on. That way they don't fall down under there and you don't have to use a lot of hay.
Nice. Should we put pumpkins in the heads? What did I just say?
I don't. You said pumpkins in the heads.
Should we put some hay in the heads instead?
Yeah.
Look. Since this is free.
Yeah.
Look. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute.
I thought that was the plan already.
I know I was going to put some spider webs coming down.
Well, you can still do that too.
I could still do that too. Oh, I'm a genius. Our little day date project, DIY project, couples date project. It was super fun. It was super cheap, and I will leave the Instagram account that I got this idea from in here, right here. She'll be right here, and she has really great ideas. What did you like? Did you like our little project date?
Yeah, it was fun. I like painting.
Painting, yeah. What other tips do you want to give the people?
I probably drill the holes first before you paint them.
Okay.
Just because you kind of scratch them up as you try to drill, so it's best to kind of mitigate the scratching. And then it's tough to not scratch it at all. Yeah. Maybe if there's like a plastic specific paint, it'll save you from scratching. Yeah, and the orange paint said that it holds on plastic, but one of those things that it's gonna scratch off. It's not gonna be perfect. And we did it within a day. Yeah, we did it with like what, 2 hours? We probably didn't let them dry all the way. No, we did it within like 2 hours. So it was super cheap, super easy, and it is super cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I want to see what kind of ideas you're doing for Halloween, what kind of decor you're doing. We have a couple more of ideas. And anything else you want to say? Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by.